Previously on
Bill collector knocking at the door. Baby mama yelling in my ear. Honestly, a lot is going on. Only thing is I don't really care. People wonder how I keep a smile. Tell them it's cause I don't give a
flashback.
I've been in my slippers for a while. Even though my haters show me love, yeah, I just wish I'm well though. Hope you getting money, hope you doing well, bro. Heard your sister love me, I'm in Colorado, do not fucking add me. I've been on vacation, cause I need it badly. Hotel California, my escape. Pulling up in Mexico with New York City plates. Ayy, neighbors want a photo when I visit where I stay. Ayy, if you talking drama, get the fuck up out my face. Ayy, dodging bad vibes like skirt. Drama on my line like skirt.
It's Taco Tuesday.
Taco Tuesday! Taco Tuesday!
Yo, we at Leo's Taco Truck.
Leo's Taco Truck, you guys heard it here
Like
first.
world famous right here.
So for Taco Tuesday, you know we had to go to Leo's Taco Truck. Make sure you check them out. Taco Tuesday, link in the description below. Make sure you check out my man Leo.
Let's go.
So it's Taco Tuesday, yo. Adam brought me to Leo's Taco Truck and it almost turned into a crime scene, yo. What's going on here? What's really going on? I just wanted some tacos and it almost got aired out. Everybody say thank you, Adam.
Welcome to LA.
He said, welcome to LA. If I don't come back, you guys know why.
Several days later.
Yeah, I just left your viewing at the Staples Center. Obama wrote you a letter, yeah, you made it, nigga. I even heard you had some plans to come to Vegas with us. And them suckers could never kill you, it only made you bigger. And every time I see some fire, I see
Oh, they're on?
We can walk around that way.
and every time I close my eyes, see Snoop and I see you. When I be on the west side, you know how we do. Hustle and motivate, turning 1 into a 2. 2 and a 4. Hurt my heart, I seen you on the floor. Do it for the hood, but I don't even wanna do it no more. When these niggas you do it for, that shoot you and all. Only thing I can say is you would've loved. Blessing. And I ain't finna sit here like I'm your main homie. But when we lost you, it really put some pain on me. Got me scared to go outside without that flame on me. And when them niggas went against me, you ain't changed.
First world problems, the palm trees are blocking the fireworks.
You was born in a hospital with incompetent doctors who didn't bother to press you against your mother's chest.
A real LA native. You guys recognize this guy?
Hell yeah.
Do you guys recognize this guy? Do you guys?
Face right there, baby.
Oh my god. This is the only dog face I care about.
Luke.
Hi Luke. Prince Charles. Paw. Paw? Prince Charles. There we go. We love that.
Let's go.
That one's for the feds.
Not even talking there.
In the background.
The only funny document.
It's the LA thing.
That's it.
Oh no! Everybody stay where we are right now. Where are we at?
LA.
We in LA. Throw the set.
Let's go Blue Jays!
Yes, sir. That is what we like to hear.
business venture, thriving the black world. For you and your homies, don't gotta worry about getting fired and facing discrimination. We are creators, we don't go begging for placement, but we are not wanting.
Two champs in the city?
Lakers and the Dodgers won it? Oh man. Guys, it's confirmed. I'm good luck. Oh. It's really whatever though, you know what I'm saying? Raptors 2021. Am I right?
Exactly. Raptors 2021, Blue Jays 2021, Maple Leafs 2021.
Yeah.
Period.
Y'all heard it here first. It's whatever though. They kinda won it.
They ask you how you are and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Two champs in the city?
Damn, Lakers and the Dodgers won it. It's because of me. I'm good luck here. I think like technically that means I won a chip.
I am the one, the way your son don't need the.
Technically. I'm sorry. Oh no. Damn, it might be Taco Tuesday, but in LA they're handing out chips. That is crazy. But yeah, no, as a Toronto fan, you know, log off for tonight, you know. And plus Corona, you know what I'm saying? Stay safe. Everybody wear a mask.
People that be gossiping constantly, only dead weight. Wiser assessments of situations will carry you to your best days. Put away a portion of your profit when you get paid. And do not be afraid of change. It could be a segue to a better something. But have patience and always make time for family and celebration. And every good thing in life requires dedication, like career, wife, kids, and the spiritual. The point of our existence isn't physical. Make sure there is love in your living room and make sure